Welcome to Suite 12062. The temperature control in this cabin was very accurate. Make sure you watch your step upon entering this restroom. You don't want to trip and fall. I found the aesthetics of this restroom gorgeous, especially the chrome accents. Plenty of space and storage. The footrest in the shower is perfect for shaving your legs. Very important on vacation, right, ladies? This suite came with a free bottle of Prosecco as well as dark chocolate. There are numerous plugs, and the TV had a great selection. The closet had enough space for 2 adults, lots of hangers, and dual sides. There's a safe. We didn't use it, but hey, it's there for your security. The suite also came with fluffy robes as well as slippers, which I did take home with me. The slippers, not the robe now. And now this bed was very comfortable. The bed as well as the pillows, which was a sweet surprise. This extra space could be used for other storage, but I like to keep my room pretty clean. The balcony door had a great seal on it. There was never really any outside noise coming in. There's plenty of space out here, and I love the fact that it was covered, unlike the cabins on deck 9, where the rain can rain down on you. This is a great suite. Taking a peek back in one more time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content. Goodbye.